In this video, we are dealing with the Pythagorean theorem word problem. Okay, let's start. Questions. Two cars on the two straight roads which cross at the right angles. If the cars are 12 meter and 5 meter from the intersection, how far apart they are? Itong question na to, we can solve this using the Pythagorean theorem. But first, we have to visualize the problem. Drawing mo tayo ng dalawang car. Meron daw dalawang car. There's two car. This one. Tapos, ito ay dalawang roads. Meron din dito isang car. Wait lang. Ayusin po natin yung car. Yan. Itong isa ay 5 meters away and yung isa is 12 meters. 5 meters is 12 meters away. Now, ang hinahanap po natin is how far apart they are. Gano'n daw sila kalayo? Ito ang hinahanap natin. Ito po. So, using the Pythagorean theorem, we can answer how far apart the two cars. Okay. The formula for the Pythagorean theorem is c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. Example, itong 12 meters ay gawin nating A. Itong 12 meters ay gawin nating A. At yung 5 meters gawin nating B. Pwede naman magpalit yan. Pwede rin naman B yung 12 meters. Pwede rin yung A yung 5 meters. Now, c squared equals to, yung A natin is 12 squared plus yung B is 5 squared. Okay, ulitin natin ito. Medyo, yan. Now, sunod, c squared is equals to 12 times 12 equals to 144 plus 5 times 5 is 25. C squared is equals to 144 plus 25 is equals to 169. Para makuha yung value ng C, dahil naka-squared pa yung C natin, kailangan natin i-square root both sides. So, C squared is equals to 169. Square root both sides. Makaka-cancel yung square root and squared. Bring down C equals to what? 169. Ang square root po ng 169 is 13. So, ang answer natin ay 13 meters. 13 meters po ang layo ng dalawang cars.